Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use the stash grenade in Animal Company. Start by opening your item wheel and selecting the stash grenade to equip it. Aim at a safe spot behind cover where teammates can reach it easily. Keep distance from hazards and enemies that can destroy the cache. Communicate with your team so everyone knows the stash location and contents before you need to resupply. Positioning matters more than distance when using a stash grenade, so think like a strategist. Drop the stash near objectives for quick resupplies while your team holds ground. Use roofs or cliff edges to conceal the cache from enemy sightlines and traps. Throw during low engagement moments to avoid drawing attention. If enemies approach, relocate or bait them away before teammates collect items from the think beyond simple resupply and use stashes as tactical hubs for your squad. Place healing items together to craft a frontline recovery point for quick boosts during fights. Leave a few low-value items visible to bait opponents into predictable paths for ambushes. Coordinate roles so one teammate secures the stash while others cover. Rotate stash locations to keep enemies guessing and to maintain map control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.